Hello everyone, welcome to SwiftLearn, India's most sincere learning destination for all the students from classes 1 to 10. Here we try harder to give you the best in the field of education. So if you want to hear from SwiftLearn regularly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get any further updates from us. So, my name is Ruchi Sharma and I'm here to tell you everything possible related to the Olympiad exams. नाम तो सुना होगा ना? Yes, Olympiad exams. स्कूल में हम बहुत बार इनके बारे में सुनते हैं. So let us today talk about what are Olympiad exams, how will they help us, how to apply, and whatever your queries are, they will get sorted today, I promise. So to begin with, let me tell you what are Olympiad exams. They are competitive exams. Competitions hai, that's it. Otherwise, you have your school exams, but these exams are conducted by other organizations, and these organizations conduct the exams worldwide. ये एक स्टेट या कंट्री पे रिस्ट्रिक्टेड नहीं है. दे आर कंडक्टेड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. एंड हाउ विल दे हेल्प यू? दे विल हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपकी रियल एबिलिटीज़ कहाँ है, कौन से सब्जेक्ट में आपका इंटरेस्ट है. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस यू गेट टू नो थ्रू दीज ओलंपियाड एग्ज़ाम्स. एंड इसका बेस्ट पार्ट क्या है? द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ कि जो आपके फेलो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं इस एग्ज़ाम में, जो आपके कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं, दे विल बी ऑफ द सेम एज ग्रुप. Like if you are from class 4, all the other participants will be from class 4. If you are from class 6, 7, 8, they will also belong to the same age group and they will be giving the exam for the same subject. No difference at all wherever around the world. What are the subjects that they deal with? Yes, the subjects that they deal with are science, mathematics, computer science, which is known as cyber in the Olympiad exam language. Then we have, of course, English and other linguistic subjects. So linguistic subjects का language से कुछ नहीं है लेना देना. They are all about कैसे आप data handle करोगे, कैसे आप उसको analyze करोगे. Linguistic skills is all about that, right? So what are Olympiads? They are competitions which are held all over the world by different organizations. अब आप बोलोगे रुचि मैम, स्कूल में वैसे ही इतने सारे एग्जाम्स, एक और ओलंपियाड. Yes, I would say they are, don't treat them as exams. They are fun. They are a good way to learn something which you are already learning. Okay? This is like bringing you to another platform. So why do we need? Why am I stressing on Olympiad exams, or why should you take Olympiad exams? Because डेफिनेटली अब आप सोचो, अगर आप वर्ल्ड वाइड बच्चों के साथ एक पर्टिकुलर एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हो तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस कैसा हो जाएगा? अप, राइट? सो इट बिल्ड्स योर कॉन्फिडेंस. आप चाहे क्लास 4 में हो, 3 में हो, अगर आप ओलंपियाड दोगे तो आप बोल सकते हो मैंने वर्ल्ड वाइड बच्चों के साथ कम्पीट किया है. सो डेफिनेटली कॉन्फिडेंस गोज नॉचेस अप, राइट? एंड देन यू गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपका पोटेंशियल क्या है, व्हाट आर योर एबिलिटीज़, किस सब्जेक्ट में आप बहुत अच्छे हो सकते हो, आपको पता चल जाएगा. एंड देन आप उस पर वर्क करना शुरू कर सकते हो टू हैव एन एज अबव द अदर्स. और इसका क्वेश्चन है, इट्स क्वाइट सिंपल. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑल अराउंड द सब्जेक्ट दैट यू हैव, ऑल अराउंड द सिलेबस, ऑल अराउंड दैट इज़ बीइंग टॉट इन योर स्कूल. नथिंग विल गो आउट ऑफ द सिलेबस. जो आप स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हो उसी सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग ही इनका क्वेश्चनर होता है. यू विल फाइंड नथिंग जो आप नहीं कर पाओगे या जो आपने नहीं पढ़ा है. सो ग्रेट वे टू लर्न. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स एज आई टोल्ड यू, इट गिव्स यू अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपोजर. कैसे? एज आई सेड, सिर्फ स्टेट ही नहीं बट नेशनल, इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे आप लोगों के साथ कंपटीशन में हो. सो डेफिनेटली योर एक्सपोजर बिकम्स more. Good. So, good reasons to compete in the exam, right? Yes. How to apply? अब एग्ज़ाम के बारे में पता चल गया that these exams are good for you. Now you would want to apply for these exams. How would you do that? Very simple, I'll tell you. When SwiftLearn is here, you don't have to worry. I'll give you all the information. So there is this organization that conducts these exams, and the organization is Science Olympiad Foundation. So they have a website, and they are the organization which conducts the whole set of Olympiads. You can go to their website, fill in the registration form, just put in the required details, which are not much, and submit it to your school. That's simple. And I'm sure आपके school भी Olympiad के लिए circular देते होंगे. But in case they don't and you still want to participate, this is one way you can approach. So go to Science Olympiad Foundation website, look for the registration form, fill the details and submit it to your school. Easy peasy. Now moving on, let us know about the subjects. कौन से subjects हैं? We have general knowledge. Yes, they have exam to check your general knowledge. They check what you know about the world and what is going around in the world. And that's very interesting, really. And they have English Olympiad, everything related to the language, grammar, words. Then we have Science Olympiad. Yes, they have Science Olympiad where they test your knowledge of science. And then we have mathematics, the world of numbers. And then we come to commerce. Commerce is basically for the 11th and 12th graders because they study this subject. And then we have Cyber Olympiad. Now cyber has got everything to do with computer science. Yes. So these are the 6 main subjects that they deal with. So which one will you opt for? Think. Yes. And do let us know. When are the exams conducted? So we have spoken about what are the Olympiads, what are the subjects involved, why are they important for you. Now let us talk about when are they conducted. So I'll give you a broad perspective of the months. Science Olympiad is conducted generally in the month of October and November. Cyber Olympiad in November, December. International Maths Olympiad in November, December again. International English Olympiad, October, November. Commerce Olympiad, December, January. And the General Knowledge Olympiad in September, October. So don't worry when you see, months being repeated here because they make sure, वो लोग ये ensure करते हैं कि आपके कोई भी दो एग्जाम्स की डेट्स क्लैश नहीं करेंगी एंड आपके पास इनफ गैप होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप साइबर ओलंपियाड और मैथ्स ओलंपियाड दोनों में पार्टिसिपेट करोगे, दे विल मेक श्योर कि दोनों एग्जाम्स में इनफ गैप हो ताकि आप अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर सको. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज concentrate on your preparation, and for that let me tell you what kind of pattern do these exam papers follow. So exams, when you write your school exams, you've got long questions, you have got questions where you have to write long answers, but here everything revolves around multiple choice. Yes, you don't have to write much. You just have to tick on the right options and there it would be. So, for classes 1 to 4, students get 35 questions only. And grades 5 to 12, they get 50 questions. And you get 1 hour to do these questions. So, 35 questions, multiple choice. It's quite simple, isn't it? So you would say, yes, ma'am, easy peasy. Yes, that's the way. You should always think that nothing is impossible and you can do it. So as I told you, the duration is for 1 hour. And here comes the most exciting part. Every student, when they appear for this exam, they get their international rank. Wow! आपको पता चलेगा कि इंटरनेशनली जितने स्टूडेंट्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है आपकी रैंक क्या है. एंड देन आपको पता चलता है आपकी जोनल रैंक क्या है, मीन्स आपकी स्टेट में, आपके एरिया में आपकी रैंक क्या है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स स्कूल रैंक ऑल्सो. वाओ. And not just this, you also get medals if you fare very very well. You get medals and different prizes, and not just the students, they give prizes to the principal and teachers also, who help you prepare for the exams. Wonderful, isn't it? Great. I'm excited just telling you about all this. Are you? Great. Yes. So the very most important thing, last but not the least, how to prepare. Yes, so you are now ready to give the exam, and let me give you some tips that will help you prepare for the Olympiad. Now my main tip, the most important tip is never say never. Believe in yourself. This is what I would say. When you believe in yourself, nothing is impossible. Okay, so tell yourself, I can, I will emerge as a winner, and see how easy everything will become. So this is the first and the most important thing. Then you need to prepare yourself a timetable. अपने लिए एक timetable बनाओ, एक schedule बनाओ, and follow that. It is not difficult at all. When you know कि मुझे कब क्या करना है, everything falls into place and it becomes quite simple. Then, as always, we are here to help you, and we give you sample papers. आप जितने sample papers solve करोगे, आपके लिए exam उतना easy हो जाएगा, because sample papers से आपको पता चलता है किस type के questions किस subject के लिए आपको prepare करने चाहिए. Yes, so it will become quite easy for you. And as I said, believe in yourself and always imagine yourself as a winner. Close your eyes and say to yourself, I can and I will be a winner. See yourself at the topmost position and practice as many sample papers, prepare a timetable for yourself, and you will not even get to know when the Olympiad will be over and done with you, and you will have a medal to show to everyone around you. And yes, as I told you, I would say that SwiftLearn is one platform that will always stick to your side by giving you sample papers and providing you classes to help you prepare for the Olympiad, be it maths, science or English Pro Olympiad. When you want to get your reward, we are there to help you out. So implement the suggestions that I gave you, prepare a schedule for yourself, and do a lot of sample papers, and I promise that you will emerge as a winner and success will come to you easily. So here I would say all the best, go ahead, conquer the world with the Olympiad exams, and I really hope that the tips and tricks I gave you today will motivate you and help you participate in the Olympiads and get your rewards. So don't forget to tell us when you get your rewards. Promise? Great. So if you liked the tips that I gave you, if you liked the information that I gave you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. So it's bye from me now. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.